Using Bootstrap in ReactJS allows you to design responsive and interactive user interfaces easily. Here's how you can integrate Bootstrap into a React project. Install Bootstrap. The easiest way to add Bootstrap to your React project is through npm. Open your terminal and navigate to your React project directory. Run the following command to install Bootstrap. Import Bootstrap into your React app. Once Bootstrap is installed, import the Bootstrap CSS file into your src/index.js file. This ensures that Bootstrap styles are applied throughout your React components. Use Bootstrap components in React. Now you can use Bootstrap classes in your React components, just like you would in a standard HTML file. Using React Bootstrap. For better React compatibility, you can use React Bootstrap, which provides Bootstrap components as React components. To install React Bootstrap, then import specific components like. This way, you can leverage the full power of Bootstrap within your ReactJS app.